PS4 error SU-42481-9. How to fix PS4 error SU-42481-9. The PS4 error code SU-42481-9 indicates a problem with updating the system software. Here are several advanced fixes that can help resolve this issue. 1. Power cycle the PS4. Turn off your PS4 completely. Unplug the power cable from the outlet. Hold down the power button for 30 seconds to ensure all power is drained. Wait for about 5 minutes, then plug everything back in and turn on your PS4. 2. Update via safe mode. Turn off your PS4. Hold the power button until you hear the second beep to enter safe mode. Connect the DualShock 4 controller with a USB cable and press the PS button. Select Update System Software and then update using Internet. 3. Rebuild database. Enter safe mode as described above. Select Rebuild database. This process reorganizes the hard drive, which can help resolve the error. 4. Update using a USB drive. Download the latest PS4 system software update from the PlayStation website onto your computer. Format a USB drive to FAT32 and create a folder named PS4, and within it, another folder named Update. Place the downloaded update file, rename it to PS4update.pub, into the update folder. In safe mode, select Update System Software and then Update from USB storage device. 5. Check internet connection and cables. Ensure your internet connection is stable. If using Wi-Fi, ensure the PS4 is within range of the router. Check all physical connections, HDMI, power, and Ethernet cables, for any damage and secure connections. 6. Initialize PS4, last resort, backup your data first. Go to Settings System Backup and restore backup PS4. After backup, go to Settings Initialization Initialize PS4 Full Initialization. Restore your backup data after the initialization process is complete. If these steps do not resolve the issue, you may need to contact Sony customer support for further assistance.